Hey, this is Dave at Custom Dynamics. We're showing you our LED fascia lights today. These are a nice plug-and-play light for your street glides and road glides. They fit 06 to current models. They will be either run brake or run brake turn depending on your configuration. They follow the curve of your fascia here. These will mount with 3M tape and they have a lifetime warranty. They come with either a red lens or a smoked lens. They have red LEDs or a dual color LED. The dual color LED will be a red and an amber LED. The red or run in brake and the amber is a turn. These here that we have on this road glide are the dual color behind a smoke lens. When we turn them on, they're gonna light up as a red run, a red brake, and we have our magic strobe on here, which will give us a flashing brake light. And then our turn signal will be an amber turn. There's no drilling required. Again, just mounting with the double-sided tape. And again, they have a lifetime warranty.